Okay, how goes it today?
Well, I wanted to get this beam on and then put brick around it, and then I wanted to get the carved triangle up today.
No. It's because it's too wide. It's wider than that.
I have to get brick to support it underneath it.
So, how is the different lengths of those long rocks going to make a difference?
It works
Perfect.
This side's longer than this side.
Okay, well, that works. We measured those great big long pieces and
They go here.
yeah, they go on top of those. And one of them's 1.5 inches longer than the other.
Yep.
So, luckily,
And from there to the peak and there to the peak, that one's 1.5 inches longer than that one.
Well, there you go. Who knew?
I certainly didn't.
No, I didn't.
I would have thought it was symmetrical.
I would have too. That would have been my guess. But this is that cross brace that goes on next. These great big long stones, the one we were just talking about, these are the ones that are not the same length. They're the exact same height and depth, but lengthwise they are 1.5 inches different. But it works out, so that's great. But this is the one that's going on next. I'm going to clean up all that old yuck off of it, and it'll be ready when Frank's ready. Okay, it's all clean and ready to go up. That's great. Okay, before we put this up, we decided we're gonna cut a small groove in it.
Put a drip edge.
Yeah, so that it will drip there instead of going back into the mortar joint. So we did that on an earlier video. We did the same thing. I believe it was on the window.
Yeah.
So,
but you can see where water had just come down the stone. This is the bottom.
right.
You can see where water had come down the stone and just traveled into this area. We're gonna fix that. We're gonna put a groove so the water will come down, get to the drip edge, and drip off.
It's a good plan. Good plan.
Well, we'll find out if it is or not.
Yep.
We'll make it 1 inch in, or whatever this is. And that will be where we'll line up with the other stones.
Yeah. That works.
It's gonna get dusty.
Yeah, I know. Take my tea and I'll move way over here.
Take joy, my King.
now that the dust cloud has gone off, there it is.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And that will help preserve the stone. Hey, baby. So, we are attempting to put in that great big long stone.
I don't know if there's an attempt to it, it's just gonna do it.
Well, true. It'll be alright.
It's just heavy.
Yeah, I know.
It's probably as heavy as some of those.
Just be careful.
It's probably as heavy as some of those
The pillars?
pillars were.
He took down the davit thingy.
Gonna make it a lot easier.
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, let's see. I can get out this one.
Stages.
We need our little scale.
It's downstairs.
So I did turn it around. Okay, so now it goes on that side. So.
Mm-hmm. Let me put this down. I don't know.
Do that.
It
is what it is.
Okay.
I just want to make sure I know where this goes before I start
Right.
doing any major stuff.
Right.
I need to figure out how tall it needs to be and all that.
Right. You alright?
Yeah, it's just heavy.
It's just heavy.
It's just heavy, baby.
Did it mess up any of your new stones?
Yeah. It'd be alright. I know how to fix them. I know how to fix them.
You just need to repoint them. They're still in the right position. Okay. Well, that's good. Well, this is what it looks like from the back side.
Am I groaning a lot?
Well, no, not any more than I was trying to get up on the scaffolding.
Oh. Was it bad?
I was just groaning and moaning. That was the original number for it.
K32.
K32. Very nice. Doing our measure, tap into place.
Yeah, because this needs to be set over these stones by 1 inch, and then it brings the inch back here. So the
Because it's got a bevel?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope.
Yeah, well, it did at one point. And you can see exactly where the triangle, that beautiful carved triangle, this is where it's set. And you can even see it's broken on this side. And you can even tell that. That's pretty cool. Frank's shoving mortar underneath that.
Trying to make it level.
Trying to make it level. Getting there. Our opening is shrinking.
Yeah. Isn't that a good thing?
This is a great big triangle now. And then brick's gonna be all here. So, all of it. Well, Frank's got a new batch of hot lime mortar. It's not quite so hot anymore, but he's got a new batch and he's doing his favorite thing of all time of doing his pointing. So, but the stone's in place. It's going to be where it's going to be, and that's exciting because then once that's in place, we're going to put the brick in, and that will be exciting once we get that in.
Putting brick in is always exciting.
Well, but it's a step upward.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
One brick at a time is one brick to the finish line.
Man, it is windy.
Yeah. Yeah, good thing we stopped burning when we did. But, we'll get...
Then we gotta close up for a little while.
Yeah, we do. It's supposed to rain quite a bit for the next couple of days. So, well, actually the next 3 days. So we want this protected, and it's gonna freeze not tomorrow, but the next, I guess, next couple of days. So, but not tonight.
All right, we got the crossbar up. I finished up the stones underneath it, and now we don't have to. We have to. I said already that we have to put all this brick in behind here, so that's going to take a little while. So once I get the brick up to this level, then we can put the triangle up. But we don't have time to do this before the rain and the cold weather. So we gotta wait for another 3 or 4 days of above 32. That's 0 degrees Celsius, but that's what it looks like.
While we had Frank up in the basket, there's a hole right there.
There might be I think there's a little leak somewhere on this area here. Haven't been able to find it yet. But maybe there's a loose slate or something along here.
So Frank is going to replace a couple of slates so that the hole is plugged. What are you doing? Oh, sweet girl. Yeah. You're a funny girl.